What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Thunder Road. In this episode, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're not going to be showing much of Thunder Road today. However, you can't have a pocket yacht trailer sailor without something to tow it with. And the vehicle I use to tow Thunder Road won't start. Oh man, just my luck. I'm going to show you all how to take this thing, diagnose my problem, do the repair, and get back to pulling and towing the Thunder Road. So come on, let's go. Come with me. Come on. Whoa. Alright folks, here we are inside of the Taco. This is a 2008 second generation Toyota Tacoma. It is a 4-cylinder, 2.4 liter pre-runner. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles, as you can tell. But this is a great truck. I love this truck. We have over 200,000 miles on it, and she still runs great. But from time to time, things break and we have to replace them. Right now, we cannot get it to start. What I'm gonna do is diagnose the problem. I'm gonna use a C-Reader 3001. I'm gonna plug this into the vehicle's computer. We're gonna run a diagnosis, and hopefully we will get a code and it will tell us what's going on, what the issue is. So what you wanna do, I'm under the driver's side here. There's a cap here, an ODB2. You wanna just take this cap off. Just take this cap off, and it'll expose this plug here. Alright, that's gonna fit right into there. Alright, and right when you plug it in, it's gonna turn on. Before we can hit the diagnose, we need to actually turn the truck key on. So let me get inside the truck here. Alright, take the key, turn the truck on. And then we can do diagnose, CT, DTC lookup, tool setup, help. Let's just diagnose. Click OK. And we are processing. And now, we pulled up under, you can see at the very top, DTCs in this ECU with a red 1. And we want to go to read code. Processing. Alright, and the result is we are given a code P0335. That's telling me that we have a crankshaft position sensor issue. So the crankshaft sensor, okay. Some of these will only give you the code, the P0335. You can easily just go on Google or whatever you use, Yahoo. You can easily find out what these codes mean online. Alright, well, I think we need to order us a crankshaft position sensor. Alright, and here we have it. Crankshaft position sensor for a 2008 second generation Toyota Tacoma. This should be a pretty simple fix, and rumor has it is a 10mm bolt, so I have a 10mm. Now we gotta find this thing. I have no idea where this is located. Wish me luck. Alright folks, we're back. And oh my god, I've been looking high and low for this freaking crankshaft sensor. And where is it? Right here in front of me. Look at this. It's been right here in front of me this whole entire time. And wouldn't you know, the 10 fits. Cool. Yeah, so this one's all gunked up. Okay, we're getting rid of this one. Okay. Well, this is interesting. It's a little bit longer than so this is interesting. Alright, well, I guess I have the wrong one. Wonder if I could just clean it off and that would fix it. Well, let's see what that did. I'm not exactly sure how these work, so I don't know if cleaning it does a damn thing. Let's just try to start it real quick. No, not quite. Alright, so I'll go run to the O'Reilly's tomorrow and take this. And they should be able to set me up. Alright, what's up everyone? It is a new day, we have a new part. Let's get this baby in here and see what happens. Let's see what that does. Come on, baby, don't let me down. So we're back. This is what's going on. Alright y'all, so I'm up under the truck again. Realized that I did get the right part initially. I was removing the camshaft. This is the crankshaft. It took me about a decade to find it, but we found it. And now my problem is this thing. I'm not really sure. I'm not sure what this one is. It's in the way, I can't get it out. So this just became a way bigger job than I was initially thinking. This is so frustrating. Oh, I got it. Yeah, I got it to come out a little bit. We're stuck. That's as far as we can get it. Man. Alright, y'all. To be continued. So here we are, day 3 of the crankshaft sensor issue. As you can see, I've gotten both of the bottom guards off, so I got access here. You can see right in here, let me get my point at it, and you can see where the crankshaft sensor is. Here it is. So here's the 10mm bolt, just like the camshaft up above that I showed y'all the other day. But this one, so it's a longer piece, and this right here is the AC compressor. And the AC compressor, looks like it's bolted to like a frame. But right now I've got a few of the bolts out, but I'm working on this one, and then there's one that's kind of down in here. You can see it right here where it's connected. But to get to the bolt, it's in there. That's gonna be a tricky one to get to. I think once I get this one off and this one off, I should be able to take this piece and just move it, push it forward just enough so I can slide this out and get the new crankshaft sensor in. But yeah, this is where we're at right now, folks. This is day 3, and this is turning out to be a bigger job than I thought. We're getting there, slowly but surely. We're getting there. I got the belt off. There's a belt tensioner, 14mm, that's back over here. The AC compressor. You can see where I've gotten one off here. Got another couple of them off the top. Alright, y'all, there's 4 bolts holding the AC compressor down, and I got them all off, so now I can kind of wiggle it. I didn't disconnect the compressor lines or anything. I just unbolted it from the frame so I can kind of move it around, and now I think I can get to this bolt that is under here, because I can now move this out of the way a little bit. So let's try to get in there. Alright, y'all. After cursing and look at that, I got it. I freaking got it. Watch us. Access. Oh man. I wonder if I can just push it up here. There we go. Look, I have access to it now. To raise armies and to defend the country to achieve a dude. This is such a great feeling. Look how jacked up this one is. Let's get the new one in there. Alright, y'all, here we go. Come on. Come on. Idling a little rough at the very beginning. Sometimes the computers, when you disconnect the battery, the computers need a few minutes to kind of reset the idle, get the idle back in tune. And looks like we're already getting there. Oh yeah. Hear that, folks? That's the sound of a purring engine. Sweet! Look at that. Running like a scalded dog, I tell ya. We've got our new crankshaft sensor. Truck is running good, idling great. We are back in business, boys and girls. Check it out, we got the truck parked in the back next to the Thunder Road, where it should be. I'm not gonna lie, man, these past 3 days have been quite the headache. I was telling my wife the other day, I was like, man, I don't think I'm gonna be able, I think I'm gonna have to take this one to the professionals. I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this one figured out. But I slept on it overnight last night, got a plan of attack together, and we did it. We did it. She's running. We got the crankshaft swapped out and replaced. We even replaced the camshaft with a brand new one. We weren't even planning on doing that. But I'm happy, I'm content. It's a success. When things break and you fix them on your own, man, that just, that's empowering. But anyways, I'm gonna clean up, wrap up. I'm gonna call this one a wrap. And again, if y'all are still watching, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the little notification bell. That'll tell you when I upload. So yeah. Alright, y'all. Till next time, till the next dilemma. Peace, love,